Hey guys, it's Ted with OAXRAY, and today I want to go over something quick that I found that has really sped me up and actually helped my business a lot, and it's something that you're probably not thinking about. Normally I talk directly about this specifically relating to Amazon and how it's going to help your business, that kind of product. But today I just want to talk about something that I recently bought, which is this power bank, 42,000 milliamp. The reason I got it is because I have a printer, a laptop, and just all these things that are kind of tied down right now, or they were tied down because they were sitting somewhere, they were plugged into the wall, and if I needed to print a label and the label was on a pallet across the room, I would have to walk over, print the label, walk back over, and actually put the labels on the product. But I found it much easier that if I purchased a power bank, then I'd be able to plug those few plugs in, get the power that I need, and not have to walk back and forth so much. I could actually have everything mobile, so everything's able to be as close to the product as possible. So I got myself a folding cart, a little bit different than this one, not as, but I just wanted to show you an example of one. You put your laptop on here, you put your printer on here, and then on the bottom shelf, what I did was I plugged in one of these, and then I actually bought this exact model. You can see I purchased it May 7th, and it allows you to charge this thing up. It actually lasts, on what I'm using it for hours. So I wasn't able to kill the battery in 6 hours of constantly using it with what I was using it for. So I'm not sure what you might use it for, but it's lasts an extremely long time. I really wasn't expecting it. So you plug this in, or you plug in whatever you need. Let's say you're using a Zebra printer and you're using your laptop. Keep them plugged in here. Use a rolling cart like this one right here. You might want a little larger one. Plug those things up, and now you have a mobile workstation where you can bring everything that you need everywhere that you're trying to go around your warehouse or shop, or if you're working out of your house, you can bring it from one room to another really easily, really quickly, and it's going to save you a lot of time. So if you're looking for one of these like I was, it took me a few weeks to kind of figure out what everything meant, because there's different things with different milliamps, different voltage. This one has worked for me awesome. So if you have a 3 plug outlet item that you need to plug up, check this item out. It's about $200, so depending on where you are at in your business, it may or may not be worth it for you, but for me, it has saved me so much time. Thank you guys very much. Have a great day, and make some money using OAXRAY.
Please like and subscribe, and if you have a question about Amazon, put a comment down below, and I'll make a video about it as soon as I can.